Hey everybody, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching today. I am extremely excited to finally share with you all my very first magazine. I still can't believe it's happened. I'm pinching myself all the time, but it's here. This is volume 1 of my Made to Surprise premium magazine. It's wonderful. I'm completely biased, but it is. The team have worked so well on this. The samples are amazing. I am fortunate enough to actually have all the samples with me. Now, I'm not going to show you all 73 of them. I've pulled out just a few of my favorites, but what I am going to be doing is a craft along using this magazine. I'll be putting all the dates and I'll share them once I know, I'll share them below this video and also on my social channels. And during that live, I'll be able to show a lot more of the samples for you so you can see all of the detail, but there's beautiful pictures throughout. So like I said, you get 73 projects. You've got a few of them there on the front, and you get papers, and you also get the die set here to help you create your gingerbread house. Now some of you will recognize the images on this stamp set. So they've gone back into the Made to Surprise archive, and we've also looked at a lot of feedback, and so many people loved and enjoyed the gingerbread house and some of the stamps that were in the Papercraft Society kit, and that was from last Christmas, so it was box 24. So we've brought that back. So for anybody that missed that, because I still get people commenting on the YouTube video that I did, the unboxing of that one, asking for that. So we've brought that back. So the stencil that was in that kit is now here. You've also got a stencil to make a double or a triple or a single slider card. The die here will accessorize the gingerbread house, and you've got a decorative frame here that you can use on anything, but you can also, the front of the double slider can turn into a gingerbread house as well. And then you have the top portion are the stamps that were in the Papercraft Society. The bottom portion are some of my favorite animals, and these ones work really well for your Christmas cards and winter scenes. So it's a nice mix there of some of the favorites, like I said, from the Made to Surprise archives. Won't go into all of that now. All of that information is in here. I've got exclusive video for anybody that purchases the magazine, because all the details are inside. But like I said, I will be doing some videos for my YouTube channel and also the craft along. You also get papers. So in the middle of this magazine, and there are downloads as well, but you get a good portion of papers. So all of this middle section here. Now I've got those separate just to give you a quick little flip through, just so you can see. So you've got scenes here that are going to build up, and again you've got the frame there, and these will go onto the front of the slider card. You could, you know, do something creative with the gingerbread house templates as well. You get quite a lot there, so you've got plenty to keep you going for the scenes. You've got all different sentiments. If you're someone that likes to have your sentiments printed and easy for you to cut, then you can. And then you've got some of the backgrounds there for the woodland animals. And then we've got coloured images. So many of you ask for coloured images of the stamp sets, and we've got lots of really fun stuff in the pipeline. So look out for future releases and things. But you've got some lovely characters here, and you've got your gingerbread as well. And they're all really easy to cut. And then some of those favourite papers. So we've got the gingerbread and the candy cane. I love this one. You've got the stripes, more candy canes, then more sentiments, more papers, and then it repeats. So you get 2 of each, but you can see there's a lot on each one. So there's tons in the papers, but like I said, there's downloads as well. I'm going to just show you a couple of the samples, because when I saw them in the magazine, I was wowed by them, and having them in person, they're even more, you know, amazing. So Gemma, also who's on my design team, she got to do her first magazine feature, so she's super excited as well. Gemma, your makes are beautiful. This was one that she did. I love how she's used the woodland animals there and created that lovely background, and how the owl is just kind of floating on the top there, so that's really cute. This one here has been made by Debbie, and I love the way that she's used this card shape to create a gingerbread house, and it's just so sweet, and it's like a little easel card, and that is adorable, and that's something I definitely like to try and make myself. I think it's wonderful, and that all folds flat to go in an envelope. Super cute. You've then got this one here, is just amazing. So it's a little tree ornament with a mini house inside. It's got acetate, season's greetings, little tag there, and this has been made by Emma. Emma is stunning. In fact, Emma's done a couple, I think. Is this one? Yeah, she's done this one as well. Isn't it gorgeous? And all of the tutorials are in the magazine to create these makes. I think they are just amazing. Like I said, I am really overwhelmed with all of this. I've then brought back this card. This was similar to one that I did in the Papercraft Society box, but I've brought it out now for you to recreate again with this kit. It all folds down. This is a slightly different version that I've done here, but I'll be doing this again. And what I'll do is I'll share the tutorial because it's the same as that one, so you can, you know, go back to it again. But I just went to town with this one. I love it. It has travelled a bit now as well, and it's been photographed, but it's still okay. I'm going to be using it. Two other ones I just want to share. This wonderful card that, again, Gemma has made. She's used the woodland animals. It's a show, get my words out, it's a showstopper card, but it's the big accordion card. And I just love how she's made that one. And that all folds down and that will fit into a 6x6. Yeah, this is bulky, but it goes into a gift box lovely, and it's been made lots of times. And then just a 3D make. There's lots in the magazine. This one here has been made again by Emma. Beautiful. Love this box that she's made. I think she may have used a SVG file for this one. I haven't looked. I haven't read through the whole magazine. I am going to enjoy that. I'm actually having a week off now, so I'm going to be enjoying you know, going through the magazine and creating some different projects, so there's more inspiration for you. But they're just a little snippet of what is in this magazine. You can see here you've got tunnel cards. There's that card I just showed you. You've got little gift bags here. There's the slider card. Again, there's my exclusive tutorial there. You've got other slider cards that have been made. There is heaps in here. I am very pleased with it, and huge thank you to the team. There's a lot of people that work behind the scenes putting all this together, and I'm just so happy to be finally sharing it with you all. So this one is available in your major supermarkets in the UK. So Sainsbury's, Tesco, Morrisons, Asda, also WH Smith, and then check your local newsagents as well. It has sold out on Craft Stash already, so it is in stores now. And those of you that live outside of the UK, I don't know the dates that your countries will be receiving them, but I'm sure they'll be coming to you hopefully within the next few months, because I know some of you do get them a little bit later. But those are the places where it's available. I know lots of you have managed to get your hands on them already. If you're not a member of the Mixed Up Crafters Facebook group, please head over there. There's lots of people that have purchased the magazine. They're already sharing that they've got it, and I'm sure they're going to be sharing their makes soon as well. So there'll be lots more inspiration there. I'm going to leave it there now, and I'm going to safely pack away all of these samples and start thinking about some more things that I can create with the kit. I'm so thankful and grateful for everybody that's purchased this kit, along with the other magazine Christmas festive kit that we did as well. There's just so much out there now for you, and hopefully something for, you know, all different price points, all different crafting abilities and styles, and yeah, just something for everyone. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back very soon with more tutorials. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.